Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Galeem in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. It is important to understand that Galeem is not a playable character in the game. Instead, Galeem serves as a powerful boss and the main antagonist within the extensive World of Light adventure mode. You will encounter Galeem as an enemy to defeat, rather than a fighter you can choose to control, across your journey to restore the world. Galeem's role is central to the World of Light narrative, where it is depicted as the entity that captured all the fighters and turned them into spirits. You will face Galeem in an epic boss battle, typically at the conclusion of the initial path in the story mode. Successfully defeating this powerful foe is a key step in advancing through the game and ultimately saving the world from its light-infused dominion. While you cannot play as Galeem, you can certainly experience its immense power by battling it throughout the World of Light. The game allows for multiple encounters with this formidable boss, providing ample opportunity to challenge its attacks and strategies. Additionally, some spirit battles might incorporate elements that echo Galeem's destructive capabilities, offering a taste of its influence within the game's vast universe. Instead of playing as Galeem Super Smash Bros., Ultimate invites you to explore its incredibly diverse roster of over 80 unique playable fighters. Each character brings their own distinct fighting style, special moves, and recovery options to the battlefield. Experimenting with this vast selection of heroes and villains from across many iconic franchises will provide countless hours of engaging and exciting gameplay, allowing you to find your perfect main.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.